Hello everybody. Today's unboxing is about a very interesting product called a Bluetooth adapter or a Bluetooth dongle. Before we do the actual unboxing, let me tell you the thing which makes it very interesting. Now, in many of the cases, uh, your laptops or your machines usually come with a Bluetooth inbuilt. It's so common that we usually take it for granted. However, there are scenarios where the internal Bluetooth system might not be there or it might be of no use. Take for example if you are having a desktop. Usually desktop machines don't come with a Bluetooth and there's simply no way to connect to a Bluetooth device without the feature Bluetooth built in the PC. Or you might be having a laptop which is quite old but is not having Bluetooth in it. Or if you are having a recently bought laptop but the Bluetooth device inside is compatible with Windows 7 only and not with Windows 10. Even if it is compatible with Windows 10, there might be some issues with it. For example, my laptop is a fairly recent one. However, the Bluetooth device in it is simply having problems with Windows 10. In that case, we have to go for a separate solution for Bluetooth. In this case, these dongles come into handy. Now, these are very simple devices. All you need to do is simply plug and play, and they will simply work out of the box. The way they work is that these devices act as a Bluetooth receiver and transmitter for your machine. Using this, you can connect to your laptop or your desktop just like you will connect to any other Bluetooth device. With that said, let me just tell you about the product here. So this is a Bluetooth dongle by a company called TP-Link. It's a very known brand when it comes to networking devices and is my definite choice when it comes to any peripheral on a budget. So about this device, I bought it from Flipkart. It costed me around somewhere less than 500 rupees and I think it's a very awesome deal for its price. As you can see, it's a nano device, so its size is really very small. This is almost the size of my nail if I have to give a comparison. And the Bluetooth technology here is Bluetooth 4.0, so it should definitely work with many of the peripherals out there. So the some key features are mentioned on the box. This comes with Bluetooth 4.0. It's a plug and play device, so it will work out of the box with Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10. I'm sure it will work with Windows 7 as well. One good thing about this is its nano size. So in case you don't want your laptop to look bulky or look weird because of some big dongle sticking out, these devices really, help correcting that problem. On this side, we have some information mentioned about the package contents. So let me just focus it here. Yes, so this box will contain a quick installation guide. It will contain a Bluetooth adapter and the other key specifications are mentioned here. It's compatible with Windows as mentioned, and I'm sure it will work with any other device, Windows version as well, Windows 10, Windows 7 onwards, any version. One good thing about this device is it comes with 1 year warranty. Now, you can imagine that a product less than 500 rupees is coming with a 1 year warranty, means it's sure gonna be a very good product. Here we have some supported devices mentioned here. So it's equally compatible with your wireless headsets, your music players, keyboard or printer or gaming consoles, mouse, etc. etc. They're compatible with speakers as well. If they're compatible with printers means they'll definitely work with any other hardware device equally well. And this is how you simply use it. You just plug it to your existing USB port and they'll start working. So enough said, let me just unbox it. This side we have just few other information here in different languages. So let me just open the cover now. Upon opening, we find the contents here. Let me just pull them out. I'll keep the box aside. So this is the nano size dongle. Let me just open these things up gently. So the first thing on top, we have the quick start manual. It's most of the cases you won't need going through it, but it just tells about you the simple process of pairing with other Bluetooth devices and how to connect to the laptop. And there are some frequently asked questions as well. And on the back, we have some information about the drivers. Like I said, it will work with Windows XP also, and definitely with Windows 7. Let me just put that aside as well. And this is the dongle itself. Let me just take it out. One good thing about this dongle is it's really very small. It's very handy. You can see it's just about the size of my fingertip. And the build quality is really very good. I think the actual parts are of stainless steel or titanium coated, and the console itself is very strong. So that was about the quick unboxing of the TP-Link Bluetooth Nano adapter, and I've mentioned some of the cases where you might need to go for this device. I will try to attach the link of the product in the description below, and hope you guys like this unboxing experience.